y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here. We do beauty and lifestyle, home decor, fashion, jewelry, snacks, a little bit of everything. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. And guys, as always, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and go ahead and hit that post notification bell so you know when I upload. But as you can see, today we have the May 2020 Smartass and Sass. So I do want to go ahead really quick and just do a little disclaimer that there may be items in this box, even the name, that may not be some people's forte. So if you don't really care for snarky sarcasm, 4-letter words, then you may not want to continue watching. So just wanted to let you guys know, I personally love the box. I think the humor is just there and it's quirky and snarky and sarcastic like me. So I thoroughly enjoy this box. So again, this is the May 2020 Smartass and Sass. Even on the box itself, there are some quotes. Well-behaved women seldom make history. And then you've got classy, sassy, and a bit smart-assy. So I just think that the box itself is always fun. Now, this subscription does have 3 different levels. You can do a t-shirt monthly, just one t-shirt for $15.95. You can get the box of goods for $34.95, or you can get the t-shirt and the box together for $49.95. You do save a little bit of money for each subscription if you go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months. I do have a promo code that is valid until May 31st, so you have a few more days if you want to sign up. Now, the May box is sold out, so you would be signing up for the June box. That promo code is Southern20. I will make sure I put it and a link down below. But again, this is just going to be a box with a wide variety of items depending on the theme, but it's always going to have that sarcastic humor and snarkiness and 4-letter words and all that fun, quirky stuff we enjoy. So usually in the box itself, you're going to receive at least 5 to 7 items, which is great. So let's cut this open and see what we got for May. The April box was fantastic. I loved it so much. All right, so when you open it up, on top you see here a card, and this says, Smartass and Sass, work hard, play hard. So that is our theme for May, and when you open it, it will go over all of the items, including pricing, which I appreciate. Let's put this out of the way. And I do like down here on the bottom, they give you a little sneak peek to next month's box. And as I said, since May is sold out, if you do sign up, you would start with the June box. And the June theme is IDGAF. I don't give a fuck. June subscription will celebrate our favorite acronyms and abbreviations. Get ready to LOL at these sassy surprises. We promise we won't go overboard, okay? So there is the theme for June. I think it'll be hilarious. I do also want to say that a lot of the items in here are actually from Smartass and Sass. So you actually could go to their website and purchase the individual items. So keep that in mind. But let's go ahead and dive in here. We're going to move some of these pink squigglies and see what we got for May 2020. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing here, I like this. All right, where is this at? Oh, hold on, there's something that goes with it. Okay, so it's actually kind of like 2 items together. The first is the collectible sticker by Smartass and Sass. It's apparently design 1 of 6, so it could have been a variation, and it says salty. I love that. And then, oh my gosh, their play on words to me is great. I love it so much. This is a set of metal straws, which I actually really do like because I think it's obviously good for the planet, right? But these aren't just your average metal straws. While I'm getting this open, the sticker It says it's time for a new collectible item because they used to do Post-its, then they went to pins, and now we're doing the stickers, so I think that's always fun. It says these are high quality stickers and are outdoor durable and are coated with a matte lamination for long lasting color, and it has a $3 value. And again, I just think it's so pretty and beachy, which is great for the summer, but again, salty. I love that. And now the straws, it says this sassy set includes 4 straws, a cleaning brush, and a reusable pouch made of FDA approved 304 SS with a rose gold finish, and they are $10. And you can find both of these items on their website, and you can actually use the promo code PLAYHARD for 20% off the shop right now. So the straws, I don't give a sip. Like I said, their play on words I think is so funny, and I love it so much. So you have 2 straight straws, 2 bent straws, and the cleaner. I appreciate that. And like I said, I love metal straws. I have quite a few, so I'm glad to have some to add to my collection with this I don't give a sip bag. All right, so there's 2 items. All right, so our third item says Super Strength Natural Deodorant from Smarty Pits. Could these minis be any cuter? It's a perfect size for tucking into a purse, carry-on, or gym bag. You can leave it at work for your emergency stick. Deodorant is aluminum-free, and a portion of every sale is donated to breast cancer research and survivor support. I love that. I love anytime a company gives back, and I think that's a great cause. And this is $4.49, and you can go to smartypits.com and use promo code SASS20 for 20% off. And it says this or that, so it looks like we could have gotten, I got lavender rose, or we could have gotten rosemary mint. So there is that. Let me give this a smell. It actually smells good, and honestly, I don't really care for lavender or rose, but it actually has a light smell, but it is fresh. It's like the combination of the two go really well together. So we have the little mini deodorant, and then we have, yay! This is Yay Wood Art from Compendium. Bright and energetic, this mini piece offers a fun reminder to celebrate. The design showcases the natural grain pattern of the wood, so each piece has its own unique character. It comes pre-drilled for easy hanging and is made with FSC mixed certified wood, $9.95 value. That is really cute. I may have to find somewhere. It does have the whole, like they said back here, pre-drilled to hang, but I think I actually could probably set this on something somewhere. So you may end up seeing this in the background. I think that is cute. It's just like, yay! All right. And then we have it says coloring is cheaper than therapy right here. This actually looks like it has another item that goes with it, so let me grab that. All right, so I got the other item, and this is the Life's a Beach coloring book. So this is a colored pencil set. These are both from Smartass and Sass. It says the book practice mindfulness or rage color. These sassy sheets during your downtime. It includes 20 single-sided designs that you can tear out and display. It's a $5 value. And then the pencils, it says coloring is cheaper than therapy. Use this 24-pack of pencils to color your heart out. Comes in a colorful reusable tin at a $12 value. So, oh wow, there are a lot of colors in here. So you can see there. So you can color away. And then let's see. So this is gorgeous. I love the design of the book, the coloring book. This the first one I opened, because I think I'll keep you. No. That's a horrible idea. What time? So you can see it's got a bunch of different, this is me. No coffee, no worky. So it's got a bunch of fun, I'm not bossy, I'm the boss. Fun designs and the snarky sayings. So I love this, and I love that they did give the colored pencils. So I think that's really, really fun. All right, and then this I can already tell you, I am so excited to see. This says, nap time is my happy hour eye mask from Hang Accessories. Maximize beauty sleep with this 100% blackout sleep shade. This mask is made of a lightweight breathable satin with elastic stretch and is anti-bedhead satin band. $19.99 value. This again is from Hang Accessories. And you guys, this is so darn cute. First of all, it feels so soft. But yeah, nap time is my happy hour. And then it's got like wine bottles and stuff all over it. I love this. I love eye mask because I'll be honest, I take a lot of naps. I enjoy napping. So I'm excited to have a new eye mask. So I think this is so cute and adorable. I just love that so much. All right, so our next item is the Resting Beach Face Waterproof Pouch from Smartass Sass. So this is what it looks like. It actually looks kind of like a pool float. So let's see. So you can see it has in here like how you could put your phone. But when you pull it out, you can see it says Resting Beach Face. This waterproof foam pouch will keep your device safe during summer activities. Plus, the touch screen still works. It also comes with a lanyard. You'll never have to leave it, so you'll never have to leave it behind. Fits most iPhone and Android phones. It is $10 value. And then here is the lanyard. You can attach this. So you see it goes in here, and then you just clip it closed like that, and then you're ready to go with your Resting Beach Face. So let's move right along. I think we have one more item in here. Yeah, so our final item here is this tote, and it says work hard, play hard, which is appropriate because it's the theme. So this cotton oversized bag is 15 inches by 17.5 inches for toting all your snarky stuff. We use the same tote style with a new design for the last 3 summers, and it's become one of our favorites. It has a double-sided print and long handles for easy carrying. And this is $18, and you can find this again on Smartass Sass, and use that promo code PLAYHARD for 20% off. I actually got the bag last summer, and I love it. So I'm so excited to have another one. And again, it does have it on both sides, the nice straps, this zipper, which I love, and it's the canvas on the inside, and you can tell this is very well made. So that, you guys, was our Smartass Sass for May 2020. Like I said, I will put the link down below along with that promo code to save you 20%, Southern20. Now again, it is only valid through May 31st, so if you want to get the June box, go ahead and sign up. And again, the theme is IDGAF, so we'll see how that goes. Bet it's going to be hilarious. I thought this was a great variety of items, and I love all of them. I think they're all useful and funny, and they just make you smile. So have a great day. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.